Everyone wants passive income, the dream of making money while you sleep. But in 2025, that dream is dying. And in this video, I'll explain why true passive income barely exists anymore, and what actually works instead. Let's start with the hard truth. Most of what's sold online as passive income isn't passive at all. You've probably seen people talk about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or print on demand as hands-off ways to make cash. But the reality? These all require constant maintenance, marketing, and updates. They're automated, sure, but not effort-free. In 2025, the internet's crowded. AI tools have lowered the barrier to entry, and competition has exploded. You can't just upload something once and watch money pour in. The era of set it and forget it is over. And here's the thing. Even the most successful creators admit it. Whether it's YouTubers, digital entrepreneurs, or ebook authors, their passive income streams still need fresh content, audience engagement, and algorithm updates to stay alive. But that doesn't mean the dream is dead. It's just evolved. So what works instead? Let's break it down. Number 1, semi-passive income. This is where you build a system once but maintain it lightly. Think about online courses, digital products, or automated content channels. The initial work is heavy, but once it's set up, it earns for months, as long as you refresh and optimize it. Number 2, income stacking. Smart people in 2025 aren't relying on a single source of income. They're stacking 3 to 5 streams. For example, a full-time job, dividend investing, and a small digital brand or service business on the side. Each one feeds into the next. Number 3, ownership-based income. This is real leverage. Owning shares, property, or intellectual property gives you earning power that doesn't depend on constant effort. It's not about making quick money. It's about controlling assets that pay you over time. Number 4, skill-based income. In the new economy, skills are the real asset. Instead of chasing passive income, people are monetizing high-demand skills like AI content creation, automation consulting, or data management, and using those earnings to fund long-term investments. So here's the truth. Passive income isn't dead. But the fantasy version, the make money while you sleep with zero effort version, absolutely is. Real wealth now comes from systems, ownership, and skills. The good news? Anyone can build this new version of income, but it takes strategy and patience, not shortcuts. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to make your money work harder in the UK economy of 2025, hit subscribe and join us here on The Money Shift. We're not chasing fake freedom. We're building real financial independence, one smart move at a time.